Sucker flame
Okay.
on this guy.
Okay.
Oh, this guy. He must make a save.
Okay. Dexterity save. You missed.
So sad.
Steam Method is up next. These things have really big noses.
And I make room for
It seems like it's my turn, actually.
Oh, it's Aileen?
for
Okay.
woman.
You could do this. There's literally only 2 people.
Yes, of course. Well, he's going to hit with his Specs Blade. So he summons his Glass Steel Rapier on his hand, and he's going to hit the Ice Message first.
Okay, the ice one. Okay.
Because I can't use Eldritch Blast in here because it's too close.
Okay. You miss.
Did I hit? Okay. That was my action.
Okay. Steam Method is up. Whew. Everyone in the room make a dexterity save.
Did you recharge it?
No, wait, did it?
Recharge
Yeah,
6.
Oh, I read that one. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Oh well.
So like at the beginning of the turn, you can roll, and then if you get 6, then you.
So just one thing. Each creature in that area must succeed. It means his friend as well.
Yes.
I'm pretty sure
So-
their own attacks don't affect them. No? Yeah.
Oh no. Each creature in that area must succeed. So his friend.
It's not hostile creature. It's just creature, and they
any
are
creature. So
Yeah,
different
it's just like a
types.
flat
One is
arrow.
fire, one is steam.
So yes. So you do. So you might want to roll the damage or save for each of them.
No, it's
or
50
each
foot, 50-foot cone in front of them.
One of them is standing right next to railing. I don't think they can actually hit one without hitting the other.
Good point.
So that means the first damages we took, each of them must make saves as well against the other.
But you guys are pretty strong. You guys can... They need a little advantage on them.
Okay, alright. So, what is he going to do? Because his Steam Breath is not working yet.
He'll attack you, lady. With the claw attack then.
Mm-hmm. Okay, it works.
Takes 6 damage, 2 slashing, 4 fire.
I'm on 16 now.
Lucky Temples? He is unable to get in the way with Tarvin blocking the door.
If he can, I whispered to him, "Can you heal me?"
Okay. I got you, mate.
Oh,
Thanks.
do you really? Okay.
Nice.
Nice.
That's with the ice
Oh,
rifles.
I'm full HP.
How much will it take for you to get back? 2 rounds, okay. Well, for now, it causes you catharsis. No, not catharsis, Aileen.
Okay, yeah, I was like, because if I was in there, I would attack them. But
That's the 3. Okay, so 6. Okay.
Taurus,
How?
save your friend!
you have advantage on your first attack because I gave you a help action.
Okay. So, which one is there a guy underneath Raylene?
Yes.
I'd like to attack that one with my shadow sword.
Okay.
With advantage, right?
Yeah, because I gave you the help. Actually.
So 18.
That would be the Steam Memphis. And it hits.
That's an automatic crit, so double damage, double whatever this shows. So 20 damage.
So if it's an object, not a creature.
Yeah.
So if you were like to attack
Oh,
that
okay.
that you like so much. So it basically lets you break.
Okay, I was about to say because this looked really overpowered. Because I read
It's
it
a
as
shadow spike.
something.
You can break most objects.
Okay. But I yeah, the D10 is then just 10 damage then.
Okay.
Is that gonna double? That won't double my divine smite either, will it?
No.
Darn. Okay. I was like, wait, that's way overpowered. I actually don't really. It's still good for me, but I don't really. It's not as overpowered as I thought. Can I use my movement to move on top of this guy? Like to get us, like to just like pretty much get into the corner with this dude.
No, the Memphis is occupying that space.
Okay. What's happening here then?
One of them is very perverted
Yes.
and used to like really too much.
Catharsis, are you able to do anything?
Is it possible I move over here to stab this one a couple times?
Nah, Travis is still blocking the door.
Alright, then I'll just give Travaz a help action.
Okay.
Alright, Tarvin.
Lenith?
I'm trying to hit with this since ignores cover. Also, the one that gangs on the rail.
Wait. How can you... What? You can't use that.
I can? It ignores cover.
Yeah, but they're
If
behind
I
the
know
wall.
where the bad guy is.
This wall? No.
No, there's door. I can see him through the door.
Talking about this one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But that wouldn't hit any of your allies?
It wouldn't by the normal rules because it's a single target. So he's an area.
Okay then, he's gonna try and make a dex save though. Ooh, fails.
Yes.
Takes 6 damage.
That's Radiant. And that's it. Actually, I just do that.
Railing?
If you're willing to disengage, can he move past Tarvin?
No, Tarvin's blocking the doorway. He would have to leave for you to leave.
I mean, I didn't use a bonus action or my movement. Am I able to like let him buy me? I mean, I can still move around at this point, right? Like I'm able to.
You can still move.
I didn't use a bonus action or a movement on that turn. I mean, I literally only used my action. I guess I could.
All I would need is disengage and go through the door, but if I could.
You are technically able to like push by your allies too.
Yeah.
I mean,
It just takes 2 double movement. I mean, it would be 10 instead of 5 movement to get past a Tarvin.
I don't need to go. Well, okay. If I disengage, I'm not attacked by anyone, and then I move 2, and I could move 3 to get by the side of Lunet, right? If I do that, could I do
You
that?
would still get attacked, wouldn't you?
No, because disengage, I don't get opportunity.
He spends his action to prevent opportunity attacks
Oh,
and his movements to move.
okay then. You would be able to do that.
So he's disengaging and moving here beside his friend. That's all.
Okay. Steam reference. Three, two, one. Here's one more round. Okay.
There's 25% chance of loading 1d4 Memphis.
Oh wow, he summons them.
But does he like have anywhere to summon them to? Like space?
Yes. How far does it? Within 60 feet of its summoner. So yeah. That means you guys will be getting another friend.
Yeah. You have to roll 1d4 for the number of Memphis.
I did.
Oh, but there's I
It's
thought
the
that was
max.
a 25% chance.
Yeah, you have to roll d20 and roll more than 15 or more, I think.
Well, I mean, you can still do it with a d4. It's just that he like that's what I thought he did. He did on a 4. Then you'd have to roll for the Memphis.
No, I think d4 was for, well, the number if he manages to summon them.
Yeah, the 4 was just to summon them.
Okay.
So
Isn't there something like percentile dice or?
I mean, there's 100-sided dice if you want to use that.
Yep.
So wait.
He's summoned another one.
Oh, I read that wrong. Okay. So I should roll a 1d100. Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if it's any less than 75, then you fail.
You pass. So that means he summons
Fudge.
4 benefits.
And you were complaining about your rolls.
And that was a Steam Memphis, so it's Steam Memphis he summons. Okay. That's 1. That's 60 feet within them, so.
Wait, what?
We might die here.
1, 2, 3.
What are you saying now? Why does he get to summon 4?
Because I rolled 4.
Because he did his variant.
Oh.
I mean, they only last for a minute, or until their summoner dies.
So that's about 4 to 5 rounds, depending on how fast things go.
10 rounds. 1 round is 6 seconds, so a minute is supposed to last 10 rounds.
Oh, I thought it was 10
rounds.
seconds. Okay.
Yes.
Never mind. Okay.
10 rounds, or if we kill this one.
Yes.
Or can't you intervene?
These guys are getting pretty good rolls.
Too bad I rolled a 1 on my initiative and I haven't got it.
Temples is getting his. Using Sacred Flame against this one over here.
Wow, 1 damage. Good shit.
Card.
He still passes it. It's like Iceman. Oh no.
Hey.
No, this one. Oh my god.
Is he gonna do it too? You gotta roll again. The 1d100.
Please fail.
I mean,
Wow, he fails.
What?
Okay.
Yeah, he fails.
Okay.
That would have been crazy.
Like, so what are we going by though? Like, were you saying like the top 25% was so like an 80
Yeah.
would be a success on that? Is that what you were saying?
No,
Okay,
it
yeah,
would be
whatever.
a
75
yeah,
upgrade.
75 upgrader.
Gotcha. Okay, I'm gonna hit the Steam.
Okay. And you hit him.
20. I am going to Divine Smite.
Okay.
Yeah, you forgot your weapon damage too.
Yeah.
11 and 6, so I did 17 damage.
Okay. And luckily, you kill him.
Yep. Thank you, Darwin.
You're welcome.
Sadly enough,
Best part.
Memphis have uses self-destruct.
He's gonna explode
Yes.
on me, yep. Did the damage.
Wait, I thought I kicked you.
I think it's a save as well.
So like, make
Yeah,
a DC save of dexterity save.
Are you sure that it's not like a within range? Because I'd be blocking. If you're saying I'm blocking the door enough to where people can't get through, I'd probably also just take this one to this damn. I don't think anybody else is.
Yeah, it's a 5-foot radius, so you're good.
Okay, I was gonna say like no.
It's just me.
Yeah, it's just you, Tarvin.
Okay, what's the DC on it to save?
I'm not telling you. Come on, make roll.
Good luck.
What kind of save do you want me to make?
Dexterity save.
Okay.
You pass it. Yeah. Take half damage, so 1d4.
Just roll a d8 or whatever, and then half it. You're gonna.
So 1.
So I took one damage.
Mighty explosion. And that also means the other ones disappear as well. Lucky.
Yeah. That looked bad for a second there.
Now, if all the other ones exploded, that would be intense. That'd be kind of overpowered, though, honestly.
Yeah, they just disappear since they are summoner.
Yeah.
That would be overpowered. The self-destruct everywhere.
Plus, like, imagine. Plus, like, these guys, if you don't attack them and kill them quickly, I know that they can just multiply. I mean, if you have like 4 or 5 of these guys, they can get really good. It could be like. You could be dealing with like 30 at a time. If all them blew up on you, yeah, that'd be like TPK right there.
Yeah, so I'm gonna use one of my Aether Point abilities. I'm gonna do Blink. I'm gonna teleport right here since I can't walk through the door, and I think I used up a bonus action, so I'm just gonna stab the guy.
Okay.
Too bad I don't have advantage. So 23 and I do 7 damage to it.
Okay.
And that'll be my turn.
Okay.
Okay.
Lenneth?
That's my turn.
Yup.
And can I see what state are my friends in? I mean Tarvin and Rune. Do they look rough enough?
No, they look fine,
doing just
honestly.
fine.
No, I've got 10 hit points. It's fine.
Okay.
I think I've lost 13 health points, but I'm still doing AO.
Hey,
I didn't lose anything.
so you just attack him. Really? Okay, make a
You
decision.
better save that, or you're about to take some fat damage. That with the PH.
He misses it.
Oh, darn.
Really?
Done.
So close.
He is too zipping around. You can't touch him with his big old nose.
Okay.
If Rulin steps One, one square down. Can he attack this guy? Going fast.
Unless you have some
Fast
sort of
power?
spell that can go through walls, no.
You know you can just help Darwin.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure Tobin won't mind.
Yeah, I use a special ability to teleport. That's what I did.
No, yeah, of course. I don't want to push him.
Man, these claustrophobic dungeons just make me like such a douche.
Oh, look.
I'm not trying. I'm not trying to be in the way. I'm just like that's like my job is to be in the way in some ways, you know.
Yeah, from this way here, I've got a view of this guy.
Yeah, but you cannot hit him.
Can I, with ranged attack?
Nope. Unless you want to hit
Too much
Tobin.
disadvantage.
Well, I have a risk of hitting target. Okay. So.
Wouldn't be the first.
Just help him.
Yeah, it would definitely not be the first time.
Not even the second.
Okay, hand crossbow, could I? No, okay, I would hit target anyways, right? Anything, even max.
Fire it off. Just straight up, just attack me, you know? Maybe you'll roll like a 1 when you're attacking me and then accidentally hit the ice guy.
Could be as well. It's okay, no, I'm not going to risk attacking that target. I'm just going to use...
Oh, nice.
That's it.
Okay. Arctic Timbers.
Temples can't do anything either. He asks, is anyone else hurt?
He can help.
I'm hurt a little bit, but I'm doing okay.
Give
Help
you
action.
cure wounds as well. To give you a Tobin.
Oh,
Thank
thank you.
Yeah, that's a good thing. He can heal Tarvin while he's maxing.
Summon this again.
A good...
It's
No, wait,
once per day.
already.
Here
It's
you
once
use.
a day.
Oh yeah, oh my god. I need to read things more. I need to learn to
Because-
read.
That would be overpowered. They could just spam it all the time.
That would be
Then
overpowered,
that would,
wouldn't it?
Yeah.
I'm sorry about that.
It's
Because
fine.
demons have a similar ability.
Oh, his
and-
fast breath recharge though.
Oh, did it?
Has it been 6 rounds?
Yeah, it passed the rounds I rolled already. Yeah.
Wait,
Okay,
wait, what?
No. 1 round is not each turn for a character.
Oh no, I
No,
thought
I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty
Round
sure the
is
way
like
that you.
all the characters.
That's
I'm
a
sure the way that you
turn.
do it is you roll at the beginning of their turn every single time, and then on a 6, then it recharges.
oh, I thought you roll a 6 and then how many rounds is depending on how what
It's 6
you roll.
times. Yeah, he counts all the attacks of him 6 times, and then he can.
Oh.
No, he rolls a d6 and then like on a 6.
Oh, okay, right.
Then he gets it.
Oh, okay, it's not 6 rounds. Okay.
Okay, that makes
So like
sense.
you can face I've been in a campaign that I fought like a ancient dragon before, and then they basically rolled to get their breath weapon again like every single time, and it was
Right. So he's rolling on 6.
Okay, I understood that completely different. I thought the number was how many rounds it took for the thing to come back. Okay.
I mean, I could be off, but I'm
Unacceptable, you're fired.
This is my first time doing it. Yeah, I guess he'll just do a regular claw attack.
That's a miss, Reno.
He's attacking Catharsis.
Oh, okay.
Oh, he's attacking me.
It is a. Oh, catharsis. Oh, okay.
I will drop my short sword, cast shield,
Okay.
which pumps me up to a 20.
Ah, nice. Barely missed. Tarvin?
Okay, I am going to grapple and push him into this wall. I want to switch spots with him and then shove him into this wall.
Awesome. Good. Awesome. That's it. Now,
Do you want me to make like a strength check?
Yes. You were overpowered by an ice mephit.
Do you want to contest it? You have to roll too.
yes. I hope it.
Nice too, dude. Nice too. Get slammed up against the wall.
With the strength of a baby, you managed to pull.
I'm just like not even putting any effort into it at all. I just throw him up against the wall.
It took your entire outfit to throw him against the wall.
I did not take no effort at all. It took approximately.
Yeah, it's on
40% of my effort.
page 11 of the Monsters Manual. You have to roll it again every like you have to roll a d6 and like on a 6 for that one or whatever the recharge value is. That's when it recharges.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Getting good for the fight. Travis, catharsis.
Does he take any damage from that?
No.
Okay.
You didn't roll high enough strength for it to cause damage, so no.
Can I bonus action and hit him with the shield?
You can, yes.
Alright. What kind of damage is it like a D6, D4 or something like that for like a improvised weapon?
Yes.
What do you D4?
What's the AC with your yeah. You do 1 damage with them.
Okay.
These guys surprisingly have a lot of health.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna try and swing it on my short sword, and I'm gonna miss.
You fling your sword at Timbers. Timbers takes 10 damage.
Period.
Oi!
What?
Shemai! What do you think you're doing? I thought we were friends.
Sorry. I'll use my remaining bonus action and free action or whatever to like pick up the other short sword on the ground.
You drop and pick up your swords a lot.
Because you have
Yeah.
3 actions.
That's like an
and
every
you
turn thing for you. I'm gonna drop my
part of the
sword.
bonus. It's fun.
Yeah, it's a free actions, but wait, does that mean I can still qualify for the bonus?
No, because you failed.
Oh yeah, okay, that's fair enough. It's a one. Well, all right.
If you fail a bonus, you're not. If you fail your crit, you're not gonna be able to get a bonus.
Mm. Okay. Anyway, that's my turn.
Next.
Luna.
Okay. Mm,
Whoa.
I use my favor by the gods
Oh,
ability.
no, you didn't make an attack roll.
Oh,
Attack roll is a d20. So like, yeah, you still have to roll
why
a
do I
d20.
always like mix it up? I did.
Yeah,
Hit 'em,
that's
yay.
plus 3, so
Fit.
21.
I just mixed it up.
I think you have your character sheet messed up somehow.
Yeah, I don't know why it happened. I
Because you
just
should also be adding your ability mod to that
Yeah.
D20. So you should actually have a 19. It shouldn't be an 18. But yeah, go ahead.
We can edit that afterwards.
yeah, if I figure out how. I just stay a little after the session to try to fix it.
So,
Okay, so it's the end of my turn.
Rain.
so now that Timbers is just short enough to allow me to attack this guy, right?
Yes, he's sure enough. He's a gnome. He's a gnome. He just
Oh.
got gnomed.
No. It is 17. The 17.
Yes, it
hit?
hits.
So it is 10 plus hack 12.
Well,
And with that, he is dead.
Does it explode?
Yes, he does explode. Catharsis and Travin make a dexterity save.
Shisha.
Of course you would make it. You made it close. You guys managed to avoid it, so take 1d4 of damage.
Roll that d4. 2 damage.
No, that 1d4 was already half the damage.
What?
Oh, it was already half?
Yeah, because
Okay.
it was supposed to be 1d8, so I just cut out into 1d4. So Catharsis, you
Alright.
take 4 damage.
Okay.
And I'll just pick up my short sword and say sorry to Earthy Timbers.
I want to
I-
inspect the keg.
Okay. Looking into the keg, you find 5 tiny sapphires.
Ah.
Scoop them up.
You could guess they're about worth 10 gold pieces each.
10 go, okay.
Do they look at all particularly like they would taste good?
Um, maybe they are sapphires, so I don't know if you can have the
I'd like
strength
to
to
lick one
crush
of them.
rocks.
Are they cold?
Yes,
Yeah, I'd like to lick one of them.
a sapphire is now stuck to your tongue.
Okay. Guys, I've got something on my tongue. I'm
So,
gonna walk over and I'm gonna hold it up to Urki Temples like,
Hey,
like,
that's no
like
good.
holding a fistful of sapphires and then got one stuck to my tongue with the other hand. They're just like, help me, Urki.
Hey, we need to wash it down with warm water.
Does the warmth of my tongue slowly warm it up to where it sticks from my tongue?
No. Dude, have you noticed stuck in your tongue or any of your like flesh on a metal pole that's frozen?
Yeah, I have, but typically there's something that's like keeping the item cold, otherwise your body will
Yeah, the gem itself is
eventually.
keeping itself cold.
I need to take a little break, guys. So if you move, just move my character along. Alright?
No, this is a good time to take a short break.
Okay. I will put the sapphire the rest of the way in my mouth, I guess, and just shut up.
For the time being, I'm gonna grab some food, so wait, you guys do whatever you do. We'll be back in like, I'll say 10, 15 minutes.
I'm back.
Okay.
cool. I'm just going to make some tea.
Yeah, I got some tea.
But we actually took longer fighting these guys than the whole exploration of the...
Really? Did we?
Oh,
Because
this
I
fight-
wasn't there for part of it, I think, then. No, I was there for the whole thing. That didn't take that terribly long.
No,
It's
yeah,
close.
but I mean, we took longer fighting them now than walking through the last level of the underground and solving the problems. It took longer.
True. Was that the last door that we had to go through that had the key? Or no?
No, we have one more.
Okay.
So we
This
just
was
need to take
it was pretty cool. I don't think that the kobolds rewarded us in a good enough way though. Like it took all of my neutral goodness to not kill all of them and take their shit.
and also we are going to need some rest before going to the next room because I don't know what we are going to find. I don't want to go there in the situation that I am now.
True. Did he link the stream?
I think it crashed at some point, and so he just
Okay.
forgot it. Some tea will serve me well.
Ah, well. I'm back.
Go long.
Hey, how's it going?
Hello.